Hi, I'm Byron.
And I'm Sharnice, and we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors. We are so happy to present mobile home investing in all 49 states.
Yes, each week we'll be dropping a new video discussing an individual state and how lucrative mobile home investing is in each state.
Are you ready to learn about mobile home investing across the United States? Stay tuned. So we are back with West Virginia.
Yes, the home of the Mountaineers. What used to be one of my favorite college football teams.
Yes, so when it comes to mobile home investing in the state of West Virginia, you guys have over 200 mobile home communities in the state.
Yes, now mobile home living is very, very popular in the state of West Virginia. All right, so with your median home price being at $114,000, your average rent being at $855, is very affordable in the state of West Virginia. And mobile homes is also very affordable in your state as well.
Yes, so when it comes to the title transfer fee in the state of West Virginia, it's very, very affordable. We're talking $15 to transfer the mobile home title, plus a 6% sales tax.
Yes, so what I love about it is you guys can do up to 4 mobile homes a year in your state, meaning you don't have to get a dealer's license. You can do those 4, and then if you want to continue to move up and do this full time, you can get your dealer's license. But Sharnice, let's talk about what the hotspots are at.
Yeah, so when it comes to the hotspots with mobile home investing, we have Beckley at 6 mobile home parks, Bluefield with 9, Bridgeport with 5 mobile home communities, Charleston with 9, Elkins at 6, and Fairmont with 10 mobile home communities.
Yes, Huntington has 12 mobile home communities. Inwood has 10 mobile home communities. Martinsburg has 30 mobile home communities. So this is where the most are in the state. Morgantown has 25 communities. New Cumberland has 6 communities. And Parkersburg has 12 mobile home communities. So you guys know where to start. You guys got all the information that you need. We're looking forward to you getting started in West Virginia.
So we hope you enjoyed this video on why mobile home investing is so lucrative in your individual state.
Yes. So if you like what you saw, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to see more videos on mobile home investing, hit that subscribe button. And if you need more information, hit that description. Links are there below. Listen, we're so excited for you to get started on your journey. And we always want to tell you guys, you are a mobile home investor.
So I'm Sharnice.
And I'm Byron.
And we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors.